Welcome to EPCB Boiler. We are always committed to providing efficient and energy-saving industrial boilers to customers around the world. These are 3 oil-fired boilers that have been manufactured and tested and are about to be shipped to the customer site. EPCB oil-fired boiler adopts a 3-pass wetback structure with a thermal efficiency of more than 98, which effectively reduces fuel consumption. The full corrugated furnace design improves the thermal expansion capacity and ensures the long-term and efficient operation of the boiler. They chose 3 EPCB oil-fired boilers and adopted a fully automatic intelligent control system to reduce manual operations, improve safety and operational stability. EPCB's professional logistics team ensures that each boiler is safely loaded, and details determine quality. Every auxiliary equipment is designed to make the boiler system safer, more energy-saving and more efficient. EPCB's precision-made air distributor ensures uniform steam distribution and improves system stability. EPCB's Energy Saver effectively recovers waste heat at the end of the boiler, reduces energy consumption, and improves operating economy. EPCB's matching high-performance water pump ensures safe water supply to the boiler and improves system stability. EPCB selects high-quality instrument valves to ensure safe and efficient operation of the boiler system. EPCB's professionally designed chimney ensures smooth flue gas discharge and meets environmental protection requirements. EPCB boilers, ingeniously manufactured, serve the world. If you need it, please contact EPCB.